How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp notification sound for one person. So if you want a certain contact to have a special notification so that you know it's them, this is how you do it. So open up WhatsApp, come into the chat of the person, tap on their name, and that'll bring up this menu. From here you want to select the notifications tab, and then as you can see you have the message notifications and the call notifications. So for messages you just tap on the notification tone, and here you can see it gives you a list of different tones that you can use. So you select that for the messages, and then you can also do it for the phone calls. So if they ring you on WhatsApp, you can give them a special notification. So that's how to change WhatsApp notification sound for one person.